Hi guys, I'm Dr. Mike Cockrell, and today I want to share with you a couple of ideas about the best way to lose weight fast. Now, this is a question I get in my clinical practice all the time, and probably most of you who are even watching this video have actually been online searching already for the best way to lose weight fast. And today I'm going to give you two of my top strategies for losing weight quickly. So, for those of you who don't know me, let me tell you real quick. I am Dr. Mike Cockrell. I am a practicing family physician, a businessman, and an entrepreneur. And I have spent the last couple of decades of my life educating myself on how to create health, wealth, and happiness in my own life. And I have been dedicated the last several years to teaching others how they can take those same strategies and do exactly the same thing in their life. So today we really want to focus on the best way to lose weight fast. And if we're going to do that, then here is your first key. Get rid of the processed sugar. If you look at our dietary habits in the United States in particular, and you go back about 50 or 60 years, you will see very quickly that 50 years ago, the average American adult consumed roughly 25 to 50 grams of sugar a day. Today, the average American adult is going to consume somewhere between about 300 and 450 grams of sugar a day. The problem is our bodies can't handle it. And when you add excess sugar to the system, then you basically not only are you getting way too many calories for your body to handle and process, but you are shifting and changing your entire hormonal makeup. And as you develop an increase in sugar in your diet, you're going to develop an increase amount of insulin, and over time, as you build up that insulin, you basically teach your body how to become more efficient at storing fat than it is at burning fat. So if you want to quickly lose weight and you're looking for the best way to lose weight fast, number one answer, get rid of the processed sugar. As you begin to eradicate the sugar from your life, and you don't have to get rid of all of it, but if you can go from eating 300 or 400 grams of sugar a day to eating 50 to 100 grams of sugar a day, it's going to make a dramatic difference in your life. It's going to make a dramatic difference in your health. It's going to make a dramatic difference in how you feel. And if you can feel better, begin to look better, you're going to have better success at creating health, wealth, and happiness in your own life. Key number two, and this is probably actually my favorite of all time, is to drink more water. If you look at the studies that are out there, honestly, if in the American population anyway, probably at any given time, as many as 60 to 70% of us are in some state of mild dehydration. There are too many drinks out there on the market, too many choices, and what honestly we have done is we've just eliminated water from our diet, and we drink sodas, and we drink tea, and we drink fruit drinks, and we drink all this other crap that really doesn't nourish your body the way that pure water does. So if you want to increase your energy, if you want to increase your ability to lose weight, if you're looking for a best way to lose weight fast, drink more water. In fact, I just had a conversation recently with one of my patients, and honestly, over the last 3 or 4 years, her comment was she drinks basically nothing but diet soda. And she wonders why she's tired, fatigued, gaining weight, muscles sore, muscles achy, no energy, sluggish thinking. All of those things are because she's not drinking enough water. So increase your state of hydration, increase your health, wealth, and happiness. It's as simple as that. So, I don't want to belabor the point here today. This video was designed to just be a short introduction and give you some tips. I have actually put together a book called Simply Weight Loss. You can find it on Amazon. You can also find it on the website at www.doccockrell.com/simply weight loss. It's listed right here on this slide. You can also find more information about it on my primary website at drmikecockrell.com. So I would encourage you to go out there, grab a copy of Simply Weight Loss today. Get started looking at that, because what I have done in that book is I have basically laid out how things affect you, how your body works, so that if you can understand what's going on inside your body when you eat a particular type of food, then it becomes easy for you to manipulate the way you eat so that your body can optimally work on your behalf. In order to do that, you're going to be healthier, you're going to be more fit, you're going to be more happy with your physical appearance, with your emotional well-being. It's going to help you all the way around. So go out there today at DocCockrell.com/simply weight loss. Grab your copy of Simply Weight Loss today. Go on to Amazon, download it from there, whatever works for you. But go get a copy and take a look at that. I would also love for you to connect with me. I really appreciate you being here today. I thank you so much for taking a few minutes of your time to watch this video. But I know a lot of times you're going to have questions, you're going to have concerns, you're going to have issues. I'm not going to leave you hanging out there with no resources. So feel free to connect with me on Facebook. That's my page number, www.facebook.com/Dr. Mike Cockrell. I'm also on LinkedIn if you'd rather use that resource. Or if you'd rather just communicate with me by email, you can shoot me an email at drmikecockrell@gmail.com, and I would love to communicate with you, help get your questions answered, give you some guidance and insight, and share the information that I've accumulated over the last 2 or 3 or 4 decades with you so that you can begin to create more health, wealth, and happiness in your life starting right now. Listen, I hope you have a great day. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.